Did you know that our ancestors, for a significant portion of human history, did not have the luxury of 3 meals a day? Food scarcity was a regular occurrence, forcing them into periods of involuntary fasting. Surprisingly, this natural cycle of feasting and fasting, far from being detrimental, played a crucial role in shaping our evolution and biology. It's in our DNA to go without food for extended periods. This ancestral blueprint holds the key to unlocking a plethora of health benefits, and it's known as intermittent fasting. Our bodies are remarkably adaptive. When we fast, we tap into this ancient wisdom, prompting our bodies to switch from burning sugar as fuel to burning fat. This metabolic flexibility, honed over millennia, is the foundation of intermittent fasting's transformative effects. Fasting isn't about deprivation, it's about giving your body a break from the constant demand for digestion and a chance to reset, repair, and rejuvenate. This ancient practice, backed by modern science, can be your gateway to improved health, vitality, and longevity. Let's delve deeper into the world of intermittent fasting and explore how you can harness its power. Intermittent fasting is not a diet, it's a timed approach to eating. It's about cycling between periods of eating and voluntary fasting on a regular schedule, not about you eat, but you eat. Imagine it as a pattern, a rhythm of fueling and resting your body. Unlike traditional calorie-restrictive diets, intermittent fasting doesn't impose strict meal plans or eliminate entire food groups. It simply structures your eating window, allowing you to consume your meals within a defined time frame. For instance, a common approach is the 16-8 method, where you fast for 16 hours and consume all your meals within an 8-hour window. This flexibility is what makes intermittent fasting sustainable and adaptable to individual lifestyles. It's a simple yet powerful tool that empowers you to take control of your health by aligning your eating habits with your body's natural rhythms. Intermittent fasting works on a fundamental biological level, triggering a cascade of physiological changes that lead to profound health benefits. When you fast, your insulin levels drop, signaling your body to switch from burning glucose, sugar, for energy to burning stored fat. This metabolic switch is key to weight loss and improved insulin sensitivity, but the benefits go beyond weight management. During fasting, your body activates cellular repair processes, removing damaged cells and generating new ones. This process, known as autophagy, is crucial for longevity and disease prevention. Moreover, fasting stimulates the production of human growth hormone, HGH, which plays a vital role in muscle growth, metabolism, and cell repair. Intermittent fasting also reduces inflammation, a root cause of many chronic diseases. By lowering inflammation markers in the body, fasting helps protect against heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and even neurodegenerative diseases. In essence, intermittent fasting is a powerful tool that optimizes your body's natural healing and rejuvenation processes. Section 4. The Power of Intermittent Fasting. Unveiling the Benefits. The benefits of intermittent fasting extend far beyond weight management, encompassing both physical and mental well-being. Let's delve into some of the key advantages. Weight loss and improved body composition. By promoting fat burning and increasing metabolism, intermittent fasting helps shed those extra pounds and improve body composition. Enhanced mental clarity. Fasting improves brain function by increasing the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, a protein that supports neuron growth and cognitive function. Improved heart health. Intermittent fasting lowers bad cholesterol, triglycerides, and blood pressure, reducing the risk of heart disease. Increased longevity. Studies have shown that intermittent fasting can extend lifespan by activating cellular repair processes and protecting against age-related diseases. Hormonal balance. Fasting can improve hormonal balance by regulating insulin levels, reducing estrogen dominance, and increasing testosterone production. Section 5. Finding your fasting rhythm, popular intermittent fasting methods. The beauty of intermittent fasting lies in its flexibility. There are various methods, each with its own fasting and eating window structure, allowing you to choose one that aligns with your lifestyle and preferences. 16-8 method, fast for 16 hours and eat within an 8-hour window. 18-6 method, fast for 18 hours and eat within a 6-hour window. 24 method, also known as the warrior diet, fast for 20 hours and eat within a 4-hour window. 1 meal a day, or OMAD, consume all your calories in a single meal within a 1-hour window. Alternate day fasting, alternate between days of complete fasting and days of regular eating. 5-2, diet. Eat normally for 5 days a week and restrict calories to 500 to 600 for 2 non-consecutive days. Section 6. Embarking on your intermittent fasting journey. A step-by-step guide. Ready to experience the transformative power of intermittent fasting? Here's a beginner-friendly guide to get you started. 1. Consult your doctor. It's essential to consult your doctor before starting any new dietary changes, especially if you have underlying health conditions. 2. Choose your method. Select an intermittent fasting method that fits your lifestyle and preferences. 3. Start gradually. If you're new to fasting, start with a shorter fasting window and gradually increase the duration as your body adapts. 4. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water, unsweetened tea, or black coffee during your fasting periods to stay hydrated. 5. Focus on nutrient-dense foods. Break your fast with healthy whole foods like vegetables, fruits, lean protein, and healthy fats to nourish your body. 6. Listen to your body. Pay attention to your body's signals and adjust your fasting schedule or method as needed. Section 7. Debunking intermittent fasting myths. Separating fact from fiction. Intermittent fasting, like any popular health trend, has its share of myths and misconceptions. Let's debunk some of the most common ones. Myth 1. Intermittent fasting will slow down your metabolism. Fact: intermittent fasting actually boosts metabolism by increasing the production of norepinephrine, a hormone that promotes fat burning. Myth 2. You'll lose muscle mass while fasting. Fact: intermittent fasting preserves muscle mass by stimulating the production of human growth hormone, which promotes muscle growth and repair. Myth 3. Intermittent fasting leads to nutrient deficiencies. Fact: as long as you focus on consuming nutrient-dense foods during your eating windows, intermittent fasting should not lead to nutrient deficiencies. Myth 4. Intermittent fasting is only for weight loss. Fact: while weight loss is a significant benefit, intermittent fasting offers a wide range of health benefits, including improved mental clarity, heart health, longevity, and hormonal balance.